Tinigyan niya
Kylie
si...
Jenner. Kylie Jenner ako.
Hold up.
Hi.
Hold up.
Ang OA ng mga kasama ko, bet nyo yun.
Hold up, boss. Wait.
Get
Wait.
unready with me.
Wait
How
lang.
are you guys?
Wait. Magbuwas. Wait for tomorrow.
OA nyo. OA nyo hard. Ito si Zimba OA hard.
Yes.
Mag-request ka nga, Zimba, go. Hi, guys. What time is it? Oh my god, it's 3 a.m.
Devils are.
Get unready with me. Bet nyo ba ma-feature sa vlog? Bet nyo ba sa... Press 1 if you wanna be featured in the vlog. Go. Go now, go. Do y'all wanna be seen in the vlog? Go. Type 1, my loves. If not, parang, edi wag. For the sake of privacy nyo din or something. Okay. With that being said. Actually, wala naman talaga ako pake. I just wanna ask for validation. Charot. So, hello everybody. We are on live. And y'all are gonna see this soon on the YouTube channel, I guess. Ayun. Ayan, mga taong OA. OA sa Pinas. Zimba yung pinaka-OA. Kala mo siya yung naligwak. Uy. Pero di pinakita. So, how are we feeling, everybody? Ingay ng mga bakla. Oh my gosh.
Mga ha.
I'm just gonna remove my makeup. I wish you all the success in your career. Thank you so much. I will try my best. I already have a lot of plans, not gonna lie. Hello. Namin tulog sa ibanda ba? That's my friend's man on the fucking
Phone.
video call.
That's how you know they're in love.
Hoy, Stefano, ikaw gahurago. Girl, no. Sis, kakabatian ko ng huragos ng imo men.
On the fucking phone.
Oh my god.
That's how you know they love you. When they're asleep on the phone.
The amount of strength na meron ka, that kind of mental fortitude, you're already a winner. Yes, ma'am. Hindi lang talaga strength yun. It's, hindi ko rin know. Basta more than strength, yung feeling.
Ito ba naman nakapinig mo ng birthday?
Hello, Bacol, what do you call this?
Bacon.
Hello, Bicol Drag. I'll see you guys soon, I hope. Go. Uragok ba lang? Sorry na.
Ay, sorry po.
Men niya yun, not mine.
Walang gaya ka na, sis.
Live for your
Basta
looks,
amo
thank
na.
you. She's kind of
Walang
crusty
edit
around the
na.
edges, but you know, you'll see the final form on the socials. So how are you girlies? How do we feel?
I'm sad.
Not always shown, but whatever. Thank you. Penge money, Yudi. Wow. Nauna ako pin ng Gcash, so... Ano na? Ikaw mag-ano? Bakit kayo gising? It's 3 fucking a.m. and it's a fucking Thursday.
Because they love you.
Stop assuming things. Sino ba ito nag-request? Bye. Thank you for the love. Zimba, pasok ka na. Go. Hello, Miss Zimbading. How are you? Alam mo, kwento mo Zimba if ano yung ano mo, hindi nila nakita.
My God, yes.
Go.
first and foremost, I hate you so much for doing that. You know that, girl. I cried so hard. Like, the only times I cried in the season is the first episode. And that episode, your episode, that's the only thing.
As you should, my love.
Girl, I hate it. Like, I really hate you. Sige, let me share you guys. Pwede ba natin, parang bawal ata sabihin.
Yung,
That you, yes.
okay, fine. Wag na nga, hindi na, let's not talk about Drag Race. Hirap na sis. Daming
Correct.
news.
Correct. But, also,
Diba?
may point naman na parang, basta I cried so hard. Like, it's like Versex and Angel moment.
Yeah. Alam niyo yung nag-walkout ako, di pinakita na parang, you know, that part. I don't know
Yes.
if we're allowed to say. Pero, si Simba super iyak. Huy, bakla, ikaw na-eliminate.
Girl, we literally like, I don't know if it's NBA, but like, we were talking about Drag Race when we went to Bacolod. So
I know.
imagine. I hate it. I hate it. It's
Alam mo, si Simba yung
part of,
one of the girlies na parang that always compliments my shit and parang hindi tayo yung tingin sa akin dun sa show.
girl, I know, right? So
Like,
why
she's
would you
the only
like?
girl siguro na nag-hype sa akin.
Tumabi pa ako sa'yo kasi alam kong hindi ka naman magsasalita sa workroom.
I know.
Right?
Season 1, sorry.
So,
I
sino na
watch.
katabi ko, girl? Si Maxi and si Angel. Imagine the space.
Yung ano talaga, no? Yung
Kabilaan.
exact
Angel Maxi. Imagine.
girl. The chaos. Oh my God.
Yes.
Why are we filming on the camera?
Wala lang.
I have a question though.
No, go.
Why did you not remove your lens?
Bakla hindi matanggal, ah. Sobrang dry na ng mata ko doon sa ano, kaka-film. Uy, hindi
Girl,
matanggal yung lens. Sabi ko, hala, ano to, embedded sa mata ko. Tangina, hindi matanggal. Bakla. Sobrang dry na kasi. Sabi ko, ano na, shit.
also you gave like iconic lines then naman. Like you did not win the lip sync. I gave you the win.
Bakla. I mean, she was already, it was already hers. Kasi parang,
Wait,
antak
I
pa lang
also have
nag-decide
like
na ako, bakla.
a question.
Ano?
I don't know if I'm allowed to ask it here.
Ano
So,
yun?
why do you have phone?
Bakla, Versex, sari-sari store yun, ah. Pinakita ko siya sa sa video.
I
Kasi
hate you.
alam ko na maano siya, malalagay siya sa ano. Sabi ko, si bakla may phone. Uy.
I hate you, girl. We've been wondering.
Kay Versex yun. Yung
My
may hole.
God, I
Okay,
hate
nandito ka.
you.
Bakla,
Kala-
do you think if
kala
I
ko-
had a phone, I would have survived till the top 3?
Kala ko, they gave me the phone, pampalubag loob.
Wow.
Yes.
Actually, I feel like pwede.
I thought.
Mag-acting galing ka lang na, oh
Yeah.
my God, I need my phone. Oh my God. For my mental state. Charot. Pero bakla, hindi phone yung craving sa fries and float.
Miss talaga ako. Parang sila ganun ng phone.
Kay Versex yun, yung sari-sari store. Lagi kong
Yes,
dala-dala
yes.
yun, ah.
Yes,
Sa,
yes,
sa
yes,
filming.
yes.
For the, nagre-reminisce lang ako na may cellphone ako. And, you know.
Yes. Yes. But like, how do you feel though? How do you
I'm
feel
happy.
how do you feel not eliminating the most voted for, I don't know, getting eliminated?
No?
How do you feel not eliminating J Queen? Where J Queen is the only person everyone wants to get eliminated.
Sakto lang. I feel like she needs another day. Charot.
Yes, for redemption, no.
Yeah.
I
I hope next
mean,
week
I mean,
she
I
will
mean, I
bring
would,
it.
I mean, I would give it to her like another day to redeem herself. But like, I would not give it
Yeah.
to you for creeping.
Girl, wala na. I can't. Sabi ko talaga na, if mabottom talaga ako dito, alis na ako. Hindi ko talaga, no, I don't believe that I did bad. Wait kayo sa YouTube ko, poke ng ina nyo,
Yung feeling ko, yung feelings ko, yung emotions ko that time, girl, bumalik kanina when we were watching during Friday.
Yeah. I feel like you're, I feel like you're living kasi gets mo ako. Like, you know me. So, I know you're like living sa talk show, kineto ko.
Yeah,
Pero
tapos,
sabi ko, fuck, hindi talaga ito mag-translate bakla.
yes,
Kasi yung humor ko, hindi ko pala barkada yung judges,
gets. Tapos parang, dun, syempre ngayon ko lang nakita yung deliberation kasi safe pa naman ako. FYI, safe na naman ako. So, ngayon ko lang nakita yung deliberation yun.
Actually.
Nung sinabi mo nang parang you were confident, tapos but like, it's, you felt check kasi di nila na-gets.
Yeah.
Ang sakit nun, honestly. Kasi nga, di ba I asked you first? I asked you like,
Yeah.
how did you feel? You were confident eh.
Girl, hard.
Di ba? Tapos, so, yes, low-key, I low-key hate it. So,
They be listening, girl. Charot.
honestly, actually, wait. But, pero that day, di ba I asked you, how did you feel about your ano?
Yeah.
Parang I was stopped. Maybe parang that point na parang, okay, you're producing it this way,
Yeah.
right?
Pero, I feel like, nung time na yun, I feel like everybody felt good about themselves. That was the episode na parang, yung Maxi na parang, everybody was happy. Somehow. Like, no one felt like they were
Get,
in the bottom.
exactly, kasi
Hindi
nga,
delusion
ano,
ha.
hindi natin
No
napanood.
delusions.
Hindi
Ano?
naman kasi natin napanood yung everyone, di ba? Kaya, hindi natin alam kung sino
Yeah.
top and bottom.
Basing on the, ano lang, on the queens. Pero alam mo naman talaga if you flopped eh.
Yeah. Pero
No delusions
ikaw, di
included.
ba, totoo yung sinabi mong you were so confident and you loved your performance.
Girl, that was the only challenge that I was actually confident in. Like, I was like, yung 3 episodes, buti pa na mas buti pa na mas kabado ako kasi
Yung
parang
first 3.
nagta-translate. Pero pag confident, unggal
Correct,
lang.
correct, hard. Well, yes, I got to mistake yung first episode 3. You were so nervous. And
Girl,
gagging sa nangyayari.
yeah, I think hindi nag-translate kasi nakachika ko si Jiggly. Sabi niya I was coming for blood daw for early episodes. Girl, episode 4 ako na bounce back. And got the confidence. Sabi ko, oh
Correct.
my God, talk show. This is the tea.
Parang, kaya tama rin yung point mo na parang you felt shit, tapos you had to quit kasi that's the only time you felt good na. Tapos dun pa nila hindi na-gets. Eh, pagod ka na the past weeks, di ba?
Yeah. And girl, nung nag-lip sync, ang sakit ng likod ko Yung,
Like,
girl, parang
can you tell
naka-brace ako
them,
sa...
can you please tell them who pushed you, who forced you to change your outfit?
I
Just
did
so you
it.
can move good. It was me.
Yeah, si
I
Zimba.
wanted you to
Sabi niya
do
mag-change ka na
lip
ng
sync.
outfit.
Yes. Parang wala naman kasing parang walang ganun, di ba? Yung mag-change ka ng lip sync for ano. Pero,
Yeah.
it's still good. Kasi nga, girl, hindi pwede mag-lip sync ka nang hindi ka makagalawa.
Di na... Girl, bye. Tapos nung natanggal, oh my God, sakit ng likod
Yes.
Pero the real tea is, nung nag-breakdown ako, doon ko na na-realize na, bitch, fuck this.
My God, girl, gustong-gusto ko talaga pumasok sa mind mo during that lip sync when you walk out. Kasi parang, ang hirap niya intindihin. Like, during performing,
Nung first pa lang, nung di ba, J Queen, me, nagsa-stand.
Pero, wait,
Bak-
question pala. Nung time na dalawa na lang kayo, nakatayo, what were you feeling? Like, super ano ka ba, confident? Like, I can do this.
Girl, zone out.
Talaga?
Zero. Like, literally, di ko nga narinig na nag-on na yung music
Wait.
Bakla. Parang instinct na lang siguro yung, parang adrenaline yung, my God. Alam mo yung, tinitingnan ko na lang yung floor, yung mga lights sa floor, yung mga light bulb, ilang light bulb. Sabi ko, I don't have any fight in
Pero
me. Like,
you
what
know,
the
you know,
hell?
you know the second verse naman, right?
Actually, yun yung talaga yung pinaka-bet ko na
Talaga?
one of my
Yeah.
bets na i-lip sync. Pero nabaliw na ako. So, and pag 2 a.m. na yun sakit
She's
pa ng likod ko.
safe.
Bakla, ayoko na. I don't agree with the,
Pero, tapos parang ano pala, parang na-realize ko din, nung actual performances, parang ang bilis mo lang, pagkatalikod mo, umalis ka kagad, di ba?
Yeah.
Dito nung napanood na natin yung performance sa edit, ang tagal pala muna bago ka umalis.
Oo, sabi ko, bakit
Di ba?
tagal?
Same thought. Parang ang tagal niya umalis, parang hindi yun ganun that time. Pero,
Oo, akala ko ako lang, bakla. Sabi ko, bakit ang tagal ko?
di ba?
Bakit ang tagal ko sa stage?
Yes, same.
Madami bang angles?
Same.
I didn't remember it to be that long.
Tapos, parang ang galing kasi yung edit, it didn't make you look like, you're about to walk out.
Yeah.
Kasi they
Yeah.
were giving you, angles na you were doing yourself. Gets
Yeah.
ba? Na parang
Yeah.
kaya mo pang ilaban yung lip sync.
Yeah.
Ganun siya nagmukha for me.
Yeah. At the time, nag-go on and off talaga, bakla. Sabi ko, fight no. Like, tinithink ko na lang, oh my God, what are the fans gonna say? Tapos naiinis ako na hindi pinakita, bakla, na yung exit kineso.
Girl, yung mukha ko nakakatawa kasi parang ako yung lumalaban sa sensei.
Sabi ko nga, pagod na ako, bakla. Ikaw na nga dito, Zimba. Zimba, I choose you.
Hate you.
I don't think I won that lip sync.
You don't think you won that lip sync?
Bakla, wala nga akong fight, di ba?
Pero may will ka naman, di ba, to fight? Like,
Mga 10%. 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5.
pero
Ganun.
kung became okay, so I feel like you were still giving your energy, your best.
Girl, on and off na. Sabi ko, fight no. So sabi ko, oh my God, hindi ko na talaga kaya to. You know what? I'm happy.
I can't imagine you decided during a performance. Like, that's like so hard.
Actually, first pa lang, nung sinabi na kami ni Jake Quinn mag-lip sync, I was supposed to walk out.
Really?
Yeah. Like, it was like a slap na parang, I don't agree with this.
Yes. So parang, okay, kala ko doon mo lang siya napag-decide. So parang, even before that lip sync, you were thinking about walking out na or quitting.
Nung untucked pa lang,
Siya
parang
naman.
pagod na ako, tapos, if mababottom pa ako, girl, I'm gonna walk out. Parang nasabi ko, parang merong clues doon sa untucked if you dig deep.
Correct. Pero in
It
fairness,
just-
yung moment mo doon sa Anpak, yeah, it was yours. Like,
Sakto lang.
it's meant for your emo.
Gago din ako. Wala na ako energy mag-emote nung nag-blue yung lights. I was ready to go home. I was ready to eat fries and float. Pagod na talaga ako, baklo. Sabi ko, wala na akong, I don't know. When daw ma-release yung YouTube?
Ano masasabi mo dun sa speech ni JP?
Ano ba sinabi niya? Parang happy siya na nag-walkout ako. Something like that.
She still gave a show kahit nag-walkout ka daw. Parang gano'n.
Okay lang. You do you. Pero, mas deserving niya siguro magstay kasi parang she had the fire. Ako,
Well,
burnout.
Yes, yes. Give ko sa kanya since she still had the fire.
Yeah.
Kasi mas give naman talaga dun sa mas gusto, di ba? Kung
Yeah.
ayaw mo naman na din kasi talaga, but if I pipilit. Correct
Yeah.
naman.
Buti nga din ako nag-walkout episode 1 pa lang. Di ba?
Girl, ba't ka ba ba't ka ba sumali talaga? Well, it's because
Girl,
nga,
wala akong
nagkagulo.
gamit nga.
Well, totoo naman din.
Pangit ng feeling na bago lahat ng gamit mo tapos hindi mo knows yung mga you know the products.
Yeah.
Wala dun yung kasanayan mo. And
Correct, correct.
fuck,
Oh my
bro.
God, yes.
Yeah.
Totoo, totoo. Totoo,
Pero
totoo.
di ko talaga give sa judges na ay kulang ako makeup, I know hindi ko i-give. You're gonna compliment me with the things
Yes,
that I have.
yes. Tapos, in fairness, I like the fact na kalag tayo told you na ano, most important, you enjoyed, di ba? Sinabi.
Parang sinabi nila bakla ikaw lang nag-enjoy sa show mo. No, I don't agree. Call me delusional. I don't give a fuck.
Sabihin ko pa rin yung feeling ko that time. The fuck, why did you do that? Why would you do that?
Ano ba, I just wanna know, ano ba in-expect nila sa fashion photo review? Ganon ba? Bitch, what the fuck? What do you expect from me? I was serving you the girl.
Although, parang I was also like low key. Di naman guilty, pero parang nung watching that kanina, nung nagkakapilian, parang I realized I should have like get you kasi magkatabi tayo. Pero nung nakita ko yung in-edit, hawak-hawak ka na pala ni Jake Quincy.
Oo, sis. Decided na yun the week before.
Hawak-hawak ka na pala niya.
Oo.
So parang
Sabi ko,
nung
fuck.
nakita ko hawak ka niya, ala, saan ako? Ikaw yung kasabi ko.
Oo.
Parang mas easier for us to be
Oo,
to
bakla. Sabi ko, fuck, si Simba dapat to yung ano ko. Kasi passion. Sabi.
Correct. Oh my God, it would be 360 moment. After that,
Yeah.
mag-college shoot, correct?
Girl. Kasi sabi ko, oh my God, hawak-hawak na ako ni Jake Quinn. Sige na lang.
Yun nga,
Sige,
yung
game ko
nakita
na
ko
lang.
rin yung edit, girl.
I-
It was like holding you.
Yeah, I don't wanna be rude din sa kanya na parang, ayoko sa'yo bakla. Hindi tayo magkakilala, ganun. Alam ko talaga si
Girl,
Simba talaga yung first pick ko eh. Kasi alam ko tayo yung parang may connection.
oo. Tapos
May natural chemistry.
I'm not sure if it's just me, pero I kinda saw parang how you guys interacted with each other dun sa table nyo. Parang you were not giving it.
No, I wasn't talking that much sa table kasi si bakla nagde-decide ng mga ng mga key points na sasabihin. Tapos ako bakla, nagtiting ako ng ng music,
Girl,
yung mga lyrics sa music.
yung parang
So bakla sabi ko,
parang yung itsura mo parang, okay, girl.
girl, I know. Tapos tanginang ingay pa ni Angel and di Kiana. Ano na?
Yes.
This is not a working environment.
Yes.
Charot, give sa inyo na maka-work
Yes.
sa ingay. Bakla, I can't.
In all fairness, nakakatawa.
Laki ng tips tonight, ah.
Talaga,
Yes.
deserve though. Deserve.
Pero mas malaki
Kasi
pa rin
nag-acting
mag-tip
ka
ng
eh.
Bacolod,
Kasi
ah.
nag-acting ka kasi umiyak.
Ano?
Sorry. Umak-acting ka kasi umiyak kanina sa performance mo. Kaya malakas yung tip.
Gago din yung acting bakla. As much as I
Ay,
want
diba?
to deny it. As much as I want to deny it, totoo yun, bakla.
May question sila. What's gonna be your Snatch Beauty?
Pwede
Since you're not
ko
part of it.
sabihin, stay
I think
tuned.
so.
Anong
Oo,
text
huwag mo na pala. Pwede mo
Next
siyang
week
i-confirm
na.
next week.
Next week na. Basag kayo, ah.
Yes, correct.
Exciting nga ako sa Snatch Game sana, eh.
Do you think you would slay the Snatch Game if you're
I would be
part?
safe. For sure.
You say.
I think safe.
You think yung runway would
No,
you
ma'am.
say? No.
Buti na lang na inunggal ko na self ko because,
Yun nga
girl,
eh.
my
The
runway was
na
incomplete.
na na
Next time, ano na lang, bra and panty, corset, parang no big pieces. Charot.
question.
Ano?
How do you feel about the like your fans who won't support you because you quit?
I mean, as they should. Keme. Pero, yun yung talaga parang hindi ko gusto na parang, kasi like, since the other show and then Drag Race
Yeah.
and season 1 happened and ang dami talaga nagme-message bakla every fucking year na parang ito na edition ka na bakla ganito ganyan ano.
Yeah.
Yan na talaga yung nagra-run sa utak ko yung mga messages ng mga tao na nagme-message sa akin. Alam mo naman super fan service ako
Correct.
until now kasi na-appreciate ko talaga yung mga tao hard. Pero ayun lang kada gabi, like, sabi ko, oh my God, here's another episode na naman. My God, what am I supposed to do? Tapos tinithink ko na lang yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao na nagbe-believe sa akin. If the other bitches don't think I'm that girl, the other bitches outside of this show that really matters, parang believes in me. So parang, yun lang talaga yung nagra-run sa utak ko. Tapos yung mga mini, parang
Yeah,
magyat, ganon-ganon ka, bakla. That kept me going. So, thank you to you. Yung mag-bash ka din ba, may sampal sa akin, ha?
Alam mo, ang ganda nung sinabi mong yan, nung part,
Ay, oo nga ba?
Di ba?
Di ginip.
Lagot, lagot ako kay Versex Girl. Will literally, nag-bet kami sa isa't isa. Like, kami, pustahan kung ipapakita or
Sino
no.
natalo bakla?
Ako,
Girl, magkano ngayon? 25 po?
25K.
Bitch, isang episode, go. Talo ah. Ay, hindi, bawal pala.
Yes. Girl, talo ako, Vincent. But kaya, I wonder why.
Yung
I
ano.
wonder why not. Hindi
What do you
pinakita.
mean? Actually, same. That's so weird to me.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense to me too. Because why not?
You know what?
Right?
Kausapin ko yung tatlong bakla to na nag-edit. Kemi, ano to? I just wanna know what was the intent. Ano ba to? Is this a question? Next week na nga. Next week na yung Snatch Game. Next week na kayo
Pero
mag
in
think.
fairness, bago ka mawala, you were wearing a Dior dress, correct?
Girl,
Iconic.
sabi ko, nung nasa hotel na ako, sabi ko, you know what? I don't regret anything. Napakita ko yung pinaka-expensive ko na piece
What is it?
out of all this stupid franchise. Who's wearing a 1
How
million
much?
dress?
The fuck?
Yung price nyo, 1 million.
Correct. Tapos sinusuot mo lang, no?
Isang damit ko lang yan, bakla. Ano na?
Okay. Okay, miss.
I was like
Okay.
so happy. Sabi ko, you know what? I'm happy. In this episode, New Glare 80s, tapos yung Dior, sabi ko, thank you. Na-manifest naman na napakita sila.
Choices. Buti sinuot mo for that.
Yan naman talaga yung prepare ko eh. Executive look, di ba?
Ah, talaga?
Bakla executive look, di ba tayo?
Well, yes. I can't wait for me to wear the outfit you let me wear.
What do you mean?
Yung pinera mo sa akin. Wow.
Ay!
And then,
The
and then,
fan.
correct.
Ang dami nyo pang adventure.
Marami
The
pa.
next episodes. Kasi every time you guys go home sa hotel, parang ano na naman nangyari? Bakit di ko nag-uusap mga bakla?
Yes. And I'm not going anywhere, girl. Kailangan mo nating patanggalin si J. Queen na nagtanggal sa... Sorry.
You can't bash J Queen. Kasi tinulungan niya ako,
Well,
bakla.
totoo naman.
She's one of the girls.
Totoo.
Alam, ito
Also,
yung,
so cute kaya.
yung,
Si J Queen, cute siya.
oo, bakit hindi ginigive ng mga tao? Y'all just haters.
Correct, correct, correct. Anong
Let's
chika
just
mo?
say they made a successful show.
Yes. Anong chika mo?
Kalimutan ko ba? What were
About
we
J Queen.
talking
About
about?
J Queen. Exactly.
Ano ba pag-usapan natin?
He was helping you
Ay,
with something.
ayun, si Mix, si J Queen. Meron kaming moment na parang they pulled me sa side. And parang sinabihan ako na parang nag-sorry sila and all na ganito ganyan. Na parang they were like undermining me and all that. And basta parang nagsabi sila na ano, I'm the girl that they want to hang out with kasi parang genuine, ganito ganyan.
Yes.
Tapos parang walang M&M, walang fake, walang karakter na TV personality. Parang, yun yung sinabi nila sa ano, pinula ko nila sa side. Sabi ko,
Yes.
sana sinabi niyo to sa ano, no, sa camera.
Correct, correct. She said, pitch. Sharing.
Pero ang dami ko di ginib sa camera because,
So, do you think your journey, complete siya?
there's only one challenge na parang naiinit ako na hindi napakita.
What is it?
Alam
What
mo.
is it? What is it? What is it?
Wow,
Wait, what is it?
guessing game. Pinoy henyo tayo ah.
Wait, wait. More, 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 more.
Diba?
More, more. What the okay, yes. The one I like.
Yung buhok mo ganitis.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God, the one I ask you to wear in the
Yeah.
right? Oh
I
my God,
hate. Pero sinuot ko sa ano talaga, no?
yes.
Somewhere. Sa ibang planet.
Yes.
Dami ko palang
Oh
di
my
pwede
God.
masabi. Putang ina, tapusin na natin yung show. Diyos ko ba?
Oh my God, I feel like kung umabot ka doon, the winner for that will
I
be
think, I think,
challenge.
sino ba? I heard I heard maganda yung look
Well,
niya.
well, yes. Well, yes. Hard naman to. Actually. Pero yours, maganda rin siya, honest.
Baka di na naman mag-translate bakla.
Totoo din yan.
My God, I don't think the Philippines is ready for my kind of drag. Kaya ako
Maybe drag din.
maganda-maganda, di ba? Hindi siya
Yeah.
super aswang-aswang makeup, pretty-pretty lang. Kasi yan yung bet ng mga tao dito, bakla.
Pero gusto nila kant-kant lang.
Oo,
Hindi masyado.
gandri-gandri. Drag race pa talaga.
Uy, oo
Uy,
nga pala. A question. May nambully ba sa'yo?
do you think wala ba?
Who did?
Not bully-bully, pero palang, sino ba nagsabi ng bully? Not literally.
I saw some tweets. Parang,
Si Moy ba yun?
si Moy, sabi ni Moy, parang something made you, do that.
Di ba parang meron din isang scene na parang hindi pinakita. Tapos si Kiana yung pinalabas na anik.
Oh, is that part?
Yung, alam mo yung si Kiana pinalabas na parang tinatae ng mga girls.
Is this early episodes?
Yes.
Okay, gets.
Yeah.
Gets.
Yung tinanong tayo na sino hindi feel, ganito, ganyan.
Yes! Oh my God, yes! I remember it now.
Girl, hindi pinakita bakla. Bakit si Kiana?
Kasi nga nasa kanya yung storyline. Diba?
Clock that tea.
Black that see episode 1, it was hers. It was supposed to be mine. What are you Char lang guys. Dahil pa naman pansi. Yan.
Ilang tao lang nagsabi Kiana ah.
Hi, Clarence. Oh my God. But yeah. So, factor siya.
Yeah, big.
Gets.
Tapos parang, di ba tinatanong tayo lagi na parang, who do you think is bottom? And who do you think is gonna be bottom this week? Tapos lagi ako bottom,
Being the... Wait, I'm not guilty because I never said that.
I know, pero lagi nila sinasabi na ako yung parang walang laban, walang ganito. Who the fuck do you think you are?
Correct,
Ang
correct. Because they
pangit
don't know you.
ng look mo,
They don't know
bakla. Face
you.
the
They don't
wall.
know you. First entrance, imagine. They
Ganyan
just
ako
don't know.
mag-talk. Let's talk about the entrance first. The-
Naalala ko pa yung when you were telling Tita Bench. Girl, you just don't know me.
Di din pa yung nakita, bakla.
Correct. Actually, from there nga, maganda na siyang start din sa'yo. Actually, mas ginibga nila kay Kiana ang provincial team, underdog.
Actually. Kasi, unggal si bakla. Self-eliminate.
Gets. So,
Na-manifest
don't,
ko yung
hindi
sinabi
get.
ni Miss J.
Yeah. Also, oh my God, I hate it. Same as mine. Like, what you tell them, kung ano na rin nila they're gonna do it. I was like, I kept telling everyone na I'm getting brigading equipment. Ayan, 3 weeks in a row. Safe queens, she said.
Oh my God, oo nga, no.
Girl, as I just realized, I did well in that fucking hosting.
Gag.
Like how
Aren't
come my partner is
you on the
the
top?
winner?
For safe
No,
ka,
I
di
was
ba?
just saying, like how is that possible, girl? It doesn't make sense to me in any way. Swear to. And
Yeah.
I might be being delulu right now, but like, girl, how come yung partner ko winner, me safe lang. Like, yeah, it's that.
Actually, sino ba yung top doon? Kaya,
Na John Fideliaga, Max.
individual kasi bakla. Individual nilang ano, no?
But yeah, I mean, girl, if we are the winning duo, might as well put me in the top. Yo.
Actually. Ang daming individual grading this season. No?
Correct. Correct, correct.
Love that for us. Available
Branding
po
ng,
ba?
branding ng house at Ding ang safe. No. You're gonna see more.
Actually. Sa nagtanong ng merch, magre-restock pa lang, wait lang, bakla. Na-sold out na ako twice, wait
Google
lang.
Forms.
Tapos gumawa na lang ako ng Google Form kasi parang ang hirap mag-send out
I love that. That's so,
as business
that's so,
woman si bakla.
she said this is
Hala, dito yung crush mo,
woman.
Zimba, o
Where?
si James.
Well, yes. He
Well,
tweeted
yeah.
about you. He tweeted something about you.
Ano?
He tweeted something about you.
Ay, hirap. What is it?
Yung pagka-eliminate mo, natabunan niya yung win ni Maxi.
With that being said, Maxi, send mo sa akin yung 30 po.
Girl, with that being said, Maxi winning, send me 5,000, girl.
True. Sabi ni Bakla, andun episode 4 ang top. Pag withdraw siya ulit, huy bakla, yung 30 pok daw sa atin pupunta.
Correct.
So magkano yun? 30 divided by 11. Everybody calculate.
No, it's meant for like an outing.
Ay, ayan. Maxi, book mo na yung 5-star hotel, go.
Correct.
May withdraw pa ba siya? Malalaman yan.
Mananalo pa ba siya?
Or baka maunggal.
Sana maunggal.
Met nyo yun. Instigate, gaslight.
Wait, how did you feel about your outfit earlier?
What outfit, bitch?
The 3D.
Sakto lang. That was the backup look din.
Oo nga, sabi mo nga.
Yeah. Yung original. Ay, ipopost ko pala yung original look
Ang
ko para
Sabi
magagaman
mong
sila.
backup, girl. Mas marami kang backup kaysa sa amin outfits.
Girl, hindi kasha, mabigat. Alam mo naman yung looks ko malalaki, so parang,
Correct, correct, correct.
kakainis.
Oh my God. I remember packing all your outfits at ng carton.
Girl,
Hmm.
si Kiana talaga yung may pinaka-perfect na box.
Actually, ang laki nung
Saan yan? Girl, I've been researching, ando na ako sa eBay, ando na ako sa
since
Bakla. Saan mo
CDO
binili yung
is
box?
good at since CDO is good at creating looks, maybe they customize the box.
Wow, pati box.
The support.
Pero, oh my God, yan talaga yung nainggit ko kay Kiana. Not gonna lie. Girl,
Exactly.
yung support ni Kiana sa sisters niya, pasabog, bakla. Sa amin
Correct.
may inggit-inggit, ah.
Correct. Kaya yung actually sa'yo, hindi mo ba siya na-feel dyan sa Bacolod?
Yung,
Like the support. Same as Kiana's.
sa gays, yes. Sa sisters ko,
But like the
somehow lang. Pero,
the drag industry. The drag
ano,
like the drag team there in
sakto
Bacolod,
lang.
they will support you.
They do support naman, pero meron isang bakla kasi na parang inggitera. So,
Not
very,
that
very episode, very
one.
promo issue.
Very promo ish.
Airtime si
No.
bakla.
No.
Wait,
Sino dapat?
I remember you were asking about the copies sa baba. Kung gagawin mo pa siya. Di ba kasi,
What?
yung sa 3D mo, I remember you were asking us kung gagamitan mo siya ng copies, ng tela you use.
Oo. Kasi ang pangit, Di ko siya na-fit, di ba?
Correct,
Parang
correct.
pinagawa ko lang.
That,
Tapos,
they na, oo.
tinend.
Tsaka doon mo lang sa tinahi, di ba? Yung copies.
Yeah. Ay, di ko lang masabi. Sa chat na lang.
Why?
Wag na bakla. Elbow na naman tayo dito sa live.
Sige, sabihin mo sa akin yun later.
Ano?
Sabihin mo yun sa akin mamaya.
Yeah. Anyways. Should I post my actual look? Eh, yun dapat yung look ko eh.
Will you post
Mother fuck.
your outfits sa next episodes?
Ano?
Will you post it? Sometimes?
Wait. What do you mean?
Yung mga next mong outfit na hindi na ma-air?
Let's
Or are
ask,
you like for sex who's not gonna post it?
let's ask the audience. Should I
I
post
feel like
and
yes.
continue? Ask natin sila, should I post my looks in the next episode?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alam mo yung magkakaroon sila ng sayang moments.
Ano?
Magkakaroon sila ng sayang moments whenever they see your content. If ever you post it.
What are they gonna gain?
Correct.
What are y'all's gonna gain if I post it?
You gain a
I just
lot,
wanna know.
not them.
I mean, sila naman mag-enjoy, not me.
Is that not what you wanted? Since they
I mean, I love Cloud, but not like that.
Oh
Musha.
my God, that's yung fan favorite. I hate you.
Ito lang. Si Angel din
I love
Well,
Angel.
but
Gagong
like,
funny kasi ni Angel, ang ina niya.
correct naman.
Kung gaano ka-energetic and si Angel, hyper funny. Ako naman low energy.
True, but still mothering. Give your mother.
Sana my God. I feel like mas pasabog yung kuda ko if close ko yung mga girls.
Actually, yeah.
Tapos kakarating ko lang from Bacol. Di pa nag-acclimate yung brain cells ko sa Tagalog. Sabi ko,
Gets.
guilty is so...
Nakakatawa yung nakita ko tweet, yung nire-story mo.
Yung oh my
Yung-
God, bitch.
We were like shouting, "Let's go!" Since you're our comprehension girl. Okay, let's go.
Gago, sino ba yun? My God, funny siya. Give ko tayo. Funny ka.
Same. Ano mga shows mo pala?
What?
Ano mga shows mo next?
Bekeneman this Wednesday.
And
And I forgot. Check ko pa. Mostly ano ako influencer ng mga attack. I have a gig sa ano. Ay, hindi ko pa pala masabi. Baka maunggal na naman ako.
the what?
Isang movie na lalabas.
You're part of it?
Yes. Not me as the star, but like one of the promoters.
Oh.
Gagawin ng TF bakla. Budget.
Is it
For a 15.
because of Drag Race?
No. It's because of favorite isa. Charot, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't wait. I can't wait for something bigger than for me.
Ang dami nyo ngang shows. My God, di ba kayo napapagod?
Why not you? It sucks to be a girl.
Ayoko mag-bar. Gusto ko parang brand deals and all that jazz.
Well, gets naman. Tsaka mas
Gusto ko si
malaki rin
influencer.
kita sa brand deal.
Sa,
Mga endorsements.
actually. Kaya super ako sa Instagram ko parang girl, let's get this show on the road because I wanna be influencer attack.
Correct.
Tangina ng star stop.
What?
Nakita ko yung mga comments. Hindi ko talaga knows kasi na ano,
Di
I
mo ba
didn't
alam
know. I didn't
alam mo
know
yung
the
Tagalog?
Akala ko same. Akala ko hindi siya same. Guyabano din sa amin na.
Ako naman wala sa vocabulary ko yung Guyabano.
Ano,
I mean,
what
nandun
is,
siya. Nandun
ano?
pala siya. I know the Guyabano word, pero wala siya sa main. Parang, hindi ko siya alam na main prutas. Tsaka di ko
We call
alam
it
kung anong texture.
babana.
Hindi ko siya
Baba
alam.
na.
Hindi ko siya na-experience muna. Langka ako na lang.
Really? So, you haven't tried that fruit?
Just lang.
Pasabog siya. It's anti-cancer. She's the
Well, yes.
girl.
Sabi ko.
Gago, di ko talaga know. Sabi ko, sasabihin ko Guyabano. Are the girls gonna get it? Ang hirap pala pag ibang language,
So,
no? Okay.
nag-guess mo siya lahat? Sadyang matagal lang.
Oo.
Yes. Ako, super quick. Like, pagka-touch, ula ka agad. The first three. But then
Oo.
that last part, bro.
Di nila siya know ng ang sobrang bash ko sa ano. Wala, yung drag race nagsasayang ng pagkain.
Iconic na
Isang
mga
clip lang.
Iconic in fairness. Ng mga confessionals.
Ang dami ko sinabi nakaka-clock sa drag race. Of course, they're not gonna put it sa edit, bitch.
Ako
Bet ko lang sabihin.
wala. Nawawalan ako ng airtime. Wala na kasi akong pinapats here. Hello, here.
Ayun. At least the talent is there, girl.
Well, yes. Nandito sa record pa nga eh. Pero yes.
Wow.
We'll see. We will see.
Ano pa ba? Episode ano ba tayo? 5 more episodes. Ay, grabe. 6 pala, 6.
6 more episodes. Alam mo, tapos medyo nalulungkot ako onte kasi sobrang bilis pala ng panahon.
Is it?
Like, episode 5 na kagad, like, girl, second half na ulit, tapos na.
You know what? You're right. Oh my God.
Girl,
What now?
like, ang bilis. Di pa ako ready matapos.
Tapos hindi pa tayo nakapag-perform lahat ng dapat makaka.
Oo nga. Sa Globe Fest. But like, that's after the whole thing.
Should I? Ay, andito naman yung look ko sa Kerry lang.
Wait, di ko get yung mag-Miley Cyrus na. I'm so uncultured.
Hindi mo mag-get na parang, alam mo, have you watched yung si Miley? Parang na-end na ng season or like nag-end na talaga yung show. Tapos si Bakla parang lumalakad-lakad going sa pinto. Tapos clinose yung door. Tapos merong mga windows. Tapos she was like, ang drama. You know what? I'm gonna post that after this. Actually,
Okay,
post ko
go.
sana eh. Nag-live pa si Bakla.
Girl, marami pa tayong araw talaga. Marami ka bang araw pwede mag-post.
Oo nga. Oh my God. Y'all are not ready sa photoshoot ko sa sa Mugler and the Dior. My God. She's so good. My God. Dude.
May nag-post ka ng may nag-post dun sa Justin Stan posted
Ano sabi
about
niya?
your
Ne,
right? Galing ba sa
hindi ko pa
bidding
nakita.
yun?
Hindi ko pa nakita. Pero
Saan ba
like,
galing yun?
ano,
Saan siya galing?
sa online, bakla tatlo yung nagbe-bidding. Ay, hindi ko i-give sa inyo, bakla
How
kayo.
much siya
Minsan
galing?
ko lang makita to.
How much mo siya nakuha?
Parang, bitch, I forgot. But it was an amount. But an amount na parang carry.
Where? Swear, because,
Oh my God. Pero ayun. Nakakainis. Nadi-disregard yung ko. Yung
alin?
Mugler.
Yung alin?
Nadi-disregard yung yung, kasi puro Dior yung mga tao nakatuto. Pero give ko
Oo.
naman kasi pasabog siya.
Oh.
Bitch, sana bibigyan din light yung Mugler ko Huy, 80s
Alin
Mugler,
ba?
yung
Saan ba
runway
yung order
piece
mo?
din.
Saan?
Yung black. Yung black na
The one
nasa,
you use for lip sync.
no, bitch.
You did what?
Yung, yung intro.
Yeah.
Yung intro ng ng fashion review.
Oh, hindi ko siya nakita. Hindi ko siya nakita.
Bitch. Yung naka-black ako, tapos merong, alam mo yung mahaba buhok.
Yes. Oo nga. Yes. I remember. Oh.
Yeah, I was like,
How much is
bigyan
it?
nyo ng clout yan, huy.
How much was that? Or maybe post it.
I think mas mahal yung mas mahal ko nabili yung Mugler than my
Dior?
Dior. Such a fucking steal, girl.
Post it na lang.
Di
So they would
ko
know.
talaga i-give sa sa tatlong nagbibid. Bakla kayo ha. Mine ito. Actually, parang 1 month, 2 months ko siya chinachat yung seller. Tapos ayun,
Talaga?
parang, yeah, girl. Like, ang dami niyang, hindi ko ito i-give sa'yo kasi parang, ang baba ng, ng bid, ganito, ganyan.
Buti
Pero
na, buti nadala mo siya sa loob.
oo nga. Sabi nga na nung, di ba sa brief, may dalawang executive look. Ay, bakla. Correct. Yung dalawang pinakamahal ko na piece, ilalaban ko to. Yung runway piece ko. Huy, the ultimate flex. Pero
Achieve naman.
nakakainis. Hindi ko na napakita yung Versace ko. 2018 fall. Photo shoot.
May mga pieces ka pa bang sana dinala? Or may mga pieces ka pa na dapat napakita mo muna bago ka maalis?
Yun lang nga, yung like, that's the only look that I'm so pissed na hindi napakita. I'm like, oh my God.
That's
Annoyed.
Oh my God, actually, ang ganda no.
Wait,
Oh my God.
pasabog din yung ko sabi ko palang maganda. You know what?
Since
Never
that
mind.
you mentioned that, naalala ko na naman ng panty.
Nabili ko ba yung panty?
Di pa.
Nabili ko na.
Di pa.
Girl, hindi pa.
Di pa talaga.
It's somewhere here. Nakita ko talaga bakla. Andito na yung panty. Putang ina, almost 6 months Almost 6 months of fighting this stupid ass panty. Putang ina. 6 months ba? 3, 4 months.
Daling ko na rin yung hair mo pala. Yung hair na binigay ko sa'yo.
Another psychotic wig.
Oo. Yung yung white. Yung parang ice
White ba yun?
cream. White
Blonde.
and blue.
White ba yun?
Yeah, blonde.
Blonde. Kala ko parang Mandela effect na naman. Or na gaslight na naman. Siliman ka ba, girl? No, I'm not. Riverside.
What's
Physical
Siliman?
therapist. Siliman is like a prestigious school sa Dumaguete. Like
Yes.
high grade. Charot.
Mag ano ka, fan service ka muna, oh. Pansinin mo yung nagpapapansin.
Did you put the for all stars?
Bet mo
No.
ba?
Ayoko baklo.
Totoo.
If kagawin ko siya another, I feel like
Kailangan
ba?
bayad na yung damit.
Parang I don't know, bitch.
Halatang ayaw mo talaga. Okay, wag na sis. Huwag na
Yeah.
ipilit.
Halatang hindi na. Ayoko na no. Kayo na yun, bakla. Kawawa naman yung ibang walang clout na ngayon ah. Kayo na mag all-stars. Charot.
Tsaka I don't think you need it then. Like, you need a redemption. Wala ko naman dapat
Ala,
i-redeem eh. Kasi maganda naman yung record mo.
wow.
Correct?
Walang rubage. Ano yun?
Oo.
Bet ko lang naman ng 80 po. Ayoko ng rubage. Gusto ko lang ng pera. Sa totoo lang. Yung design challenge talaga, poke ng ina. I think it's the heels. Charot.
Pero parang, kasi di ba, pag nilagay ng All-Stars for a redemption, pero I don't think you need to redeem yourself because you had the blast.
I guess.
Right.
Tapos, yung totoong gusto ko is, you know, the Rara
Correct.
show.
Yeah. High, safe, eliminated. Actually, should have been high, winner, safe, eliminated. Oh my God.
Actually,
Love.
kahit design challenge na naman, bet ko pa na, annoyed, mix Chanel. Yung 50K ko, asa na. I wanna watch you live,
Come
UD.
to Bekenemen and Jose.
Actually, asan ka ba next week?
Bekenemen.
I love that. Buti naman.
Doon ka
Sino
pa
ba
rin ba?
next week?
Doon ka pa rin
Yes.
ba? Okay. Well,
Last,
surprise, not so surprised, pero bet ko rin yung environment ng Bekenemen.
right? Pasabog siya. Bakit?
Oh,
Uy, walang negative energy. I love this.
yeah.
Meron
Wala.
ba?
Pero try mo rin mag-be intervention.
Actually, yes. Pasabog ba yung yung vibes?
Oo naman. Tsaka dun eh, meron ka din talagang moment kasi, di ba nga, merong theorem. So parang,
Ay,
if
oo
you
nga.
wanna look pretty, tsaka,
Gets.
audience-wise, masabog din yung support. Even tips. No.
Oh, wow. May nabasa akong comment. Last Bekenemen. Wait lang, chat ko si Baus. Charis.
Ba't ka sabi ka naman next season ba? Why not?
Oo nga, why?
Why not?
What kind of question? I'm kind of confused.
Simple up that your song is a TikTok to dance like. Honestly, oh my God, girl, have you seen the video of Sheena dancing my dance TikTok?
Actually, bitch, I have not.
Baby
Yung
Sheena.
isang bet ko i-upload, yung actual dance ng ko, yung actual dance
Oo nga,
ng
sabi
TikTok
mo
ko
meron kang
bakla.
pinaka-dance doon.
Oo, meron siyang actual steps that I forgot sa Drag Race.
Upload it. I
Should
wanna
I?
see. Or send me first.
Ayoko kasi yun yung hindi ko bet na mga hindi ko bet na pero alam ko talaga maano mo lang eh if you hit the mark.
Oh, they meant the Cannon podcast. No, I'm not gonna get eliminated, guys.
Wala pa
Di
nga.
ba pag oh my God, ikaw pala next next Cannon podcast.
Yes.
Not that.
Tapos mag-aano din ako sa sa
Instruction.
Precious.
Work.
Pagod ah.
Ayoko ma-eliminate. Ayoko ma-experience ang mga podcast na yan. No. That's not gonna happen to me.
Masabo ba yung podcast? I haven't
I think
really...
so. I think so. But
Go.
I hindi ko siya i-wish to be part of it kasi I don't wanna get eliminated.
It's fun, girl.
It's
It's fun
fine.
on this side,
But
bitch.
but it's
Nabigay na ba ni Maxi yung 30K? Hindi pa. It was
what do you mean
caught on
spoiler? I'm not
tape.
even spoiling anything.
You have TikTok, Yuri. Yes. Same sa handle ko dito sa IG. Go.
You should be on Global All Stars if she wants to.
Yeah. Wala naman si Pinoy si Zimba.
Umubo kasi ba kung mananalo ka ng Rubel's next few episodes? Charik.
All Stars and Global. Kayo na mag-compete. Bakla. Pagod na ako.
Correct.
But we'll see. I'm not closing doors yet.
Are you not?
Yet.
Okay. Pero sana maano ko ng Dragula, sis. I want that for you.
Pwede ba yun?
Yeah.
May
Di ba
contract
may
pa.
may chika na parang si Aris. It's like,
RS9.
yeah, low-key considered to be part of it.
Si Slatina din eh.
Yeah. Oo nga.
Bet ko talaga sis. Ang pasabog dun. Look. Gandri. Tapos lip syncs. I feel like doon ako mabebelong hard.
Daming sad for you walking out.
Di ko nga binabasa bakla para hindi ako masad. Selective reading talaga ako. If you're a basher, girl, good luck. Di ko talaga binabasa. Can y'all wait? Like, next week na yung next week na yung Snatch Game. Can y'all relax?
Hoy, sabi ng
Malalaman nyo next week.
Bicol Drag, we'll send you a Zima message email. Talk to you some things. Maybe we're going.
We'll
Let's go
send
to
you
Bicol.
and Zimba a message email.
Go to Bicol.
Where?
Oh my God.
Kunin ko muna yung mga looks ko na
I
pasabog
wanna
sa
go. I
Bicol.
wanna go.
Asan ba yung Bicol?
Bicol
Is
is...
that Mindanao?
No.
Hindi ba?
No.
Let's not talk about geography. I'm a faggot, okay? I don't think you have haters, girl. Yet.
Yes.
Buti na lang wala talaga ako paki sa totoong buhay lang.
Pero
Haves or no?
Pero I've seen like one tweet earlier.
Like what?
Sabi niya, as much as I idolize you, Bota, I gotta back out. I don't like a Peter. Something.
Yeah, gets ko naman. Give
Gets
ko naman
naman
sa
din.
kanila. Kasi parang hindi naman nakaka-role model
Correct.
mag-quit. Pero
That's
at
so
the
true.
end
I
of
love
the
that for
day,
you. Acknowledge it.
yeah, but at the end of the day, parang
Still you.
nawala yung train of thought ko bakla. Mga pinag-uusapan natin, fuck. Distraction kasi yung electric fan. Ay,
At the end of the day,
yun. Parang they don't appreciate a quitter. Would you rather kill yourself or choose yourself? Choose your battles, girl.
yes.
I would rather choose myself, the fuck.
Yes.
Bet on Dragula, bitch. I would devour that shit. The house down.
What's the BYS audition? Oh my God, I hate that.
I don't even know kasi wala pa akong, I don't know, I didn't hear anything back after the casting.
Yes.
Pero
What about
dami dun
me?
fans ah.
Me who didn't get anything.
Girl, that was like the biggest gag to me.
I
Bakit ganun? Weird.
know, right? I know.
Yung tattoo mo daw real bakla.
Wish I can speak Filipino. I want to know what she's saying.
Sino ba? She
You
was
di
speaking.
but ni-reveal pic niya ng boyfriend niyo. Oh my God, nakakatawa yan.
Because just told me the reason why.
Oo. Ito yung tea. Dapat nandyan yung photos namin. Ayun. Dapat andun yung photos. Pero nag-break
But
kami. Minessage ko yung Drag Race. Hello. Can you please remove the photo of my boyfriend for the sake of his privacy? Kikuru-kukuru-hu. Which I don't
yes.
want my boyfriend there. Tapos mag-break kami. Baka kasal ba kami? Hello.
Yes. Because it's gonna be posted there like forever.
I know. Ayoko makita. Like, every time I watch the show, parang, you're here?
Right? So parang better na wag na, no?
Yeah. Good luck sa mga nagpakita ng jowa.
Ayoko din na I walk on the street, tapos may nagtanong sa akin bigla na, ay, ikaw yung ex niyo, di po. What the fuck? I'm still moving on. Why would you ask me?
Correct,
But,
correct.
yeah, but nagbalikan after 2 days. What the fuck?
Alam mo, the biggest reason bakit sumali ako. One of the reasons. Para
To
lahat
get
ng
more
exes
jowa.
ko. No. Para lahat ng exes ko, they will hear my name.
Yes. Love that.
Your boyfriend is a fan. Your boyfriend is a fan. Know
Correct,
that.
correct.
He will
Correct.
leave you for me.
I don't think so.
Yan talaga yung goal ko. Sabi ko, bakla ka. Ito yung biggest revenge ko sa mga ex ko. You will never not hear my name.
You said,
Your boyfriend, a fan. Ano gagawin mo?
why are we suddenly talking about exes? My God,
Why don't
that's to be
Don't
me.
you forget about your exes and just think about me?
What ex? Single since birth ako bakla.
Diba? Unless...
Petty, I love. Of course. Ayoko, ay, bitch, no.
Joke.
Boyfriend
Or reveal
reveal.
daw. Boyfriend reveal. She revealed it. She
Skip ka
did.
muna. Bakit boyfriend reveal? Why do you wanna see my boyfriend?
You have to say.
Nagselos.
Cutie ba nagselos? Bet nyo yun. Ingit siya kasi wala siyang jowa. Lahat kami may jowa,
Honest.
Wait, sino ba walang jowa? Gago, ikaw lang talaga bakla. Ay,
Shut
super
up.
sex. Super sex.
Well, yeah. Oo nga. Wala. But like, she could get one.
Why do you want a boyfriend? Sakit sa ulo, bakla. Wag na.
Hindi lang
I
guys.
just wanna feel the fun of it. No. But like, not my priority. Okay. I'm a superstar.
Pero, fun naman siya pag pag first time mo, parang kilig-kilig.
It happens when it happens. The right person. Diba?
Well, yes. Actually, I don't know. But yeah.
Word of my
Whatever.
regrets is not waiting for the right person. And
Is there a right person?
yeah.
You think you're the right person for Yudi now?
Speak.
Speak. Longest relationship is her. So I
Her.
guess him. I guess yeah. I am.
Is it doesn't mean
Or siya
Is
yung
it
right
mutual?
person for me because longest ko is siya, but longest niya is not me.
yeah.
But that was the wrong person kasi cheater, di ba?
Lahat naman sila cheater, bakla.
Oh, I said for me.
Cheated on this.
I'd
Cheated on
never,
this.
di ba?
Correct.
Gagawin lang magpa-botox ako dito.
Why am I drunk?
When are we gonna have constructive shit? Like reconstructive shit? Nakakainis. Or ako lang?
Saan siya lang kiligin si Yudi?
What's kilig, bitch?
Nonchalant lang yan.
Nakaka-ring kay kilig yun, no?
If hindi nyo alam yung cues, but I know the cues na what the fuck? Kinikilig
Oo nga.
yung isang to. Oh.
Oo nga.
Mahirap na ako pagkiligin ngayon, bakla.
As if.
Ano?
I know the cues.
Like what?
I'm not gonna say it because you know how to remove
hide.
it.
Yes.
Tatanggalin niya like what the fuck? tatanggalin niya yan if I catch it. So, hindi ko sasabihin.
Hindi niya naman ginigive, di ba?
Hindi ko ginigive kasi you're gonna take it. Di ba?
Hindi niya ginigive yung kilig ko
Hindi,
bakla.
hindi ko ginigive kasi
Kiss na,
once I
go
give
na. Sige
it,
na, mag-kiss
you're
na.
not gonna
Mag-kiss
make
na.
it seem like kinikilig ka.
Ingay, my God. Josh faced the wall.
I was supposed to go to bed, but you started talking about me.
Alam mo si Josh, it's very, he likes talking about himself.
Because I love myself. Why not?
Pag nag-away kayo,
Pag
sweet pa
sweet
rin.
pa rin ang tono.
What the fuck?
Hindi yun away.
Ba't naman
You
ako
should have heard the
third
real
wheel dito
tea.
sa
Oh
live
my
na
god.
to?
You don't hear it, you just see it.
Sarap mang third wheel here. Kasi iba na yung third wheel bakla. Fourth ka na.
As always.
Face the wall.
It would be nice for them to speak Hilagay no.
Now. Kiss na ko no ho? Kiss na.
Magtitip ba kayo?
Oo.
Ayan, arayin si Rina, oh.
Pinag-away mo naman din.
Bebo, ano how?
Why is it always me?
Zimba magjowa ka, deserve mo.
No, wag niyo siya i-pressure.
Na-meet ko kanina yung bet mo sa sa housewarming. Sino ba yun? I forgot his name. Nag-tip sila bakla 1,000,
Each.
Right?
1,000 each.
Right? I can Albert out.
He's so cute. They're so
I
cute.
know. I know.
They're so cute collectively. Like, bitch, if you're gonna have sex with one, might as well have sex with both.
Yay.
What the fuck?
On the road.
Pero talaga
Wait.
parang weird na parang, yes.
May nakita rin ako like one crush to the Cameron.
Sino?
I was surprised
Sino dun?
he was there.
Which one is this?
His basta, ano siya, cute siya. I like his friend.
Wow. Yun lang yung description. Cute siya. Putang ina naman Zimba.
But, yeah, I admire him. Like, low-key. But not gonna
Love that.
show it.
Okay. May cute ba dun? Ay, sira pala yung mata ko. I can't see people.
Why don't you wear your glasses?
Bukod pa kay Josh, may nalalandi sa'yo.
They're
Even
probably
if they know
6
you
feet
have like a
under.
boyfriend.
You know what's weird? Kasi yung mga lumalandi sa akin is yung previous flings ko. The one that parang y'all wasted me. You could have had a bad bitch by your side. By Charlie
You
XCX.
always said me. Word.
Pag lumandi sa'yo,
Ginawa ako na lang magre-reto. Pasabog ako magreto. Bakla, kasal lahat ng nireto ko.
True.
Pero 21 ka pa lang naman, 22. So, girl,
You're young.
mag-home mode ka muna. Mukha
I
kang
don't like
baliw.
Reto. I don't like Reto. I'm so shy.
Talaga ba?
I'm so
Pasabog siya.
Pag rineto kasi, the shyness goes away.
I don't
think.
like.
I believe.
Ay, bakla, pag pogi yung nireto sa akin, bakla, avail agad.
Like me.
Basta pogi talaga, hindi ako natatanggi ba?
Hindi ba,
Like
paano
me.
pala? Paano pala kung si Jake Win ang right one?
Gago.
Do you all gonna hate me then? Right? Correct?
No.
Josh labas. Labas na, Josh.
Ah,
Yun na.
labas. So, ganun. And hello. Hi.
Lumabas mo na yung titi mo.
Oy, no. No,
How
finger
do you
lang.
feel about the surge of love and support even after
Okay.
walking out? I love
I
you.
love
This is
you.
the
This is first episode.
Um, overwhelming. Pero at the back of my mind, parang, oh my God, I still disappointed everybody. Parang, oops, problema nyo na yun.
Yes.
Rineto na sa'yo si Popstar Bench.
May nireto na daw si Popstar sa'yo, Zimba.
Wala.
Ano na?
Ang irereto nun, booking, not love life.
Oh.
Bet mo ba ng love life? Ayaw mo ba ng... Ayaw wala. I don't wanna be ratchy. Charot.
I want love life
Excuse
first
me?
before booking.
Bet mo ba ng jowa-jowa?
No.
Feeling ko date-date lang muna for the vibe.
Ang arte. I hate it. Ang arte.
Take it
I
slow.
don't wanna talk
Take it slow,
about
di ba?
First time niya, so
Yeah.
technically,
Yeah.
lahat avail.
No, take it slow. Hindi lahat avail. Take your time.
Oh my God, oo nga, may mascara festival. Yudi, let's go.
October.
May ninuluto na.
Mm-mm.
Really? Am I part of that?
I'm not sure yet. We're finding sponsors pa, especially yung PLDT bakla. Sabihan nyo yung PLDT, huy, mag-sponsor kayo doon sa mascara, pasabog doon yung cloud.
Or else.
Or else, yung competition mag-sponsor, mind you. It
Okay.
starts with letter G. L. Kemi.
Hello?
Hindi ko nga sinabi, bakla. Sinabi mo naman. Basag.
Wala yung sponsor.
Yeah, kasi yung friend ko may connection sa Globe.
Yes.
Tapos ngayon tayo yung may connection sa PLDT. So, if hindi sila mag-sponsor bakla, it's gonna be Globe.
Oh. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You direto mo din ako ng Ilonggo guy, please. Ang dami kong, lahat ng friends ko may jowa na eh.
Wait,
May
fairness,
isawa
lahat
Ano?
ng circle ni Yudi, super cute and hot.
Super what?
Cute and hot.
Alam mo,
Mga friends
ang dami
mo.
nagsasabi niyan dati. Nung pinopost ko pa yung mga friends ko.
Even your friend earlier, nasabi mo drag queen at tawa ako.
Ay, oh my God, si Stefano. Ang dami nagsasabi sa akin lagi na parang,
What's his
nung dati
name?
pinopost ko, like, nung college, after college, dami nagsasabi sa akin na parang, di ka ba na-friend ng mga pangit? Bakit lahat ng friends mo parang
Okay
ako?
ka. Okay.
Who is this?
Arte.
Ate Yodi!
Hello!
Hello.
Hello sa'yo. Asan ba kayo?
God!
Sa house.
Pero oram pa. Kumusta ka?
I'm good. Can't. Still that girl.
Girl, I did well.
Magaling ka challenge, kaso nga lang, yun nga, sabi, nasa ano kami na, Maxi.
Kaon kebab ka ron.
No, I did well and the event
Libre mo.
outside. Saan kayo di? Kain tayo. Sorry.
Like right now.
Live ba yan?
Oo.
Oh my God, alam na kaya. Hello po, Mamadig versus 12. Ate Yulia, I'm so proud of you. Oh my God.
Thank you. Wow, nanalo ba ako ng drag race?
Hindi. Naramdaman kita na sinasabi na you-enjoyed eh. Nag-enjoy ka eh. And that's that's what friends are. That's what's important, that you are happy with your food. Oh.
Thank you. Hindi ko talaga, I don't agree na ako yung bottom. Minus the look.
Ano? Ganda ng heart. Sama ko doon na organ.
Di ba? Girl, I love
Wait
it.
lang, by the way, ang ganda ng look ni Vix.
Heart.
Nakakaandala ng look ni Ate Vix, dito ka ba?
Masabog.
Give ko sa kanya.
Ano na okay yun?
Yung ganda rin kay Kiana. Hi Kiana, kung nasan ka man.
Tsaka sa...
Oh
Yung maganda
my
kasi
God.
sinasabi ko na eh.
You know what's the real tea?
What?
Yung 3D fractal look ko dapat.
Wait,
Is
wait,
yung-
I remember.
Oo. Kasi yung kay
Same,
Kiana
same,
na
right?
look was the dupe of the outfit
Of
that
the
I was.
designer.
Yeah. The
Yes.
designer. Bakla.
Yes.
If nilabas ko yung original, tas same kami look, bakla magmumukhang tae si Kiana doon ah.
Kasi ano lang yung kanya, di
Yung
ba?
copy.
Oo, copy.
Sabi ko, oh my God, bitch. Silver line na hindi ko binili, bakla. Tapos ang mahal hard. My gosh.
Yeah. Yes.
Entrance look ko sana yun. Yung kay Kiana na
Oo,
original
I
piece.
remember you were telling that.
Sabi ko, okay na ako, bakla. Kahit first out, basta nalabas kong look na to, go.
Yes. Oo nga, naalala ko siya.
Still wanna buy that look, though.
Late.
Bakit ang dami nagre-request kay Josh? Putang ina. Anong gagawin niyo sa kanya?
I'm here. You just can't see me.
About episode may pasama.
So,
Sabi. Gusto ko yung naiiyak ka. Naiiyak ka daw ano yung
oo, girl.
Gusto mo, Ate Yudi, nakita mo ba yung malamang, napanood na niya. Yung parang susuko na siya, yung tumatalikod na siya. Lahat,
Wala pa nga, di nga nila pinakita.
Di talaga pinakita na super iyak si Zimba. Wow, ikaw natanggal. Meron confessionals na ano, na sinabi ko na parang, ala, super iyak si Zimba, ikaw natanggal sis. Very angel moment yun and sex. Putang ina.
Nadala actually, kasi mo talaga post na sis na nila.
Oo. Visit to yung babae.
Kaya naging
reverse na iyak na kayo lang. Tino.
Papansin eh. Quit lang. Walk out. Eh,
John din ba syphilis siya? Yes, andun siya. John din siya. Wow, ako nag-answer. Super simple lang.
Sinabi mo sa stream na.
No, happy.
Sinabi sa kanina sa spoilers. So ano ng mga tao sa
Mait.
Good.
O hindi mo lahat
Alam-
close
Close.
pala kayo. Hindi kita sa episode sa close pala kayo, right?
Girl, I don't know
Kala
why.
nila awit ka ako nag-late.
Kala nila inaaway kita. No? Nakakabisi.
Oo, bakla. Si Zimba talaga yung ano dun, yung parang lagi okay, work. Siya lang talaga nakagets ng ano ko, ng mga keme.
I hate them. I hate them for editing it that way, girl.
Oo nga. Pero ano naman magagawa natin, bakla?
Totoo
Nag-sign
naman.
ng contract.
At least we know we love each other.
You look more
I
bomba
know.
than bombarding himself.
Wow.
Is Bomba gonna do season 4?
Hindi ko-
I don't think he's ready. But like, if he wants to, he can.
Ready, bakla. Kailangan mo na lang pera. Hindi mo lang need maging ready.
Sabi ni Ate Yuli.
Ano?
Ang sabi ni Ate Yuli? Ang sabi mo, te?
Sabi ko, you don't need to be ready. Kailangan mo na lang pera.
That. Totoo yan.
Hard pera. Pero andyan naman si Briggs. So. Bakit ang daming comment na it looks like mas close CDO and Negros? I mean, kami ni Kiana kasi parang I know we don't interact that much, pero every episode or challenge, parang lagi kami nag-eye to eye and sabi namin, let's defeat these girls. Lagi, bakla. And I'm like, bakla. Sabi ko nga sa kanya dun sa kasi di ba naunggala ko, sabi ko sa kanya, bakla. Now na wala na ako dito.
Gusto mo yung
You
patuwa?
better fucking
Huwag na
do
ka.
this.
Let me.
Tsaka, in fairness, ang inedit nila yung mga emote din ni Kiana. No?
Dami.
Give.
Yeah.
Di say, gigiri kayo na lang friends, di ba?
Oo. Wala kaming interaction at all that much ni Kiana.
Oo nga, girl. Nag-edit kayo na maayos.
Ano ba? Sabi mo ko pesa ko.
Oh my God, I can't wait for next week.
Ano na ba next week? Ay, wala pala ako din, bakla.
Visit ka.
Wala pala ako, chef.
Oh.
My God. Hindi na ako makaka-relate sa inyo, bakla. Maging verse text na ako of the season.
Oo.
Ano siya? Magbulat na rin sa mga yan. Hindi alam natin.
Oo, di alam mo ano nangyari. So, surprising na sa'yo, no?
Oo
Mga
nga.
next.
Ano na ako, Drag Race viewer.
Correct.
Drag Race fan.
Drag Race fan na ulit.
Pero alam niyo.
Oo,
kung may
bakit?
resulta.
Alam niya yung result.
Wait. Can you off the electric fan?
This one.
Bitch, I'm hungry. Zimba, ano na, FB10, ubos na yung FB10 niya. My God. Bakit kanila pinapalabas? UD po utang. Girl, with what money? I didn't can't wait for next week. FB10 sila Zimba. I know, right? What the fuck? Ludaan ko na nga kawawa naman. Uuwi na yan si J Queen next week. That I don't know kasi wala ako doon. FB10 ubos na. Bakla. True. Kagugutom na ako. Bakit awake pa kayo? Oh my God, it's 4:30. Kamukha niya. Ayan. Zimba sachet away. Foreshadowing. Charis. Ayan, magbabasa naman tayo ng comments. I posted the Miley meme, Yuri. Saan? Sending hugs from Tarlac, Yuri and Zimba. Thank you so much. You know what? Speaking of Tarlac, yung camera ko is I bought from Tarlac. Share ko lang. Bakit ba? Ano na, chika? Bakla ka? What if matulog na kayo? Ano oras tulog mo?
You don't sleep.
Depends on the weather. Post mo lahat ng unaired looks mo. Pilitin mo ako, bakla. Charis. Who was the bottom for you this week? Maybe for my look, yes, me. Hindi siya enough. To me. But, have you all seen the head? Beautiful. Are you going to DragCon LA 2025? Yes. Wag naman ma-manifest sa Shay ni Zimba. She did not just, what are you laughing? Naubos yung FB ni bakla. UD skincare tips naman dyan. I'll post that soon on my YouTube channel, okay? Can y'all wait? Kasi parang if I answer one, paulit-ulit na naman ako, di ba? At least may boyfriends na obsessed sa'yo. Ay, sana
Kasi
kayo rin.
obsessed din boyfriend ko sa akin.
Shy type to self. At least may... Okay. Murahin mo ako, Yudi. Tangina mo. Kaya na ba? Watching your untuck made me cry because I relate to you, what you felt at that moment. Kahit magkaiba yung situation ko nung na-feel ko yung emotions na na-feel mo. Right. She said, nabaliw. Mom, visit ka haunted house sa YouTube. Check lang natin pagiging nonchalant mo. Hindi naman talaga ako nonchalant bakla. I'm just vibing. If the vibes is correct, I'm loud. If the vibes are not correct, I'm silent. And that speaks a lot bakit tahimik ako sa Drag Race. That's just all I'm gonna say. What's the reason behind the name Yudiputa? Did y'all not watch the Meet the Queens? Bakla, YouTube. Open YouTube, tapos check the Meet the Queens. Andun siya, go. Hala, bakit parang na-allergy ako? What the fuck is this about? You should sue the airport dahil sa nangyari. Oh my God. Actually, oh my God, maybe that's the tea.
Hindi man, no.
Afraid.
Maybe it's it's the stress. I don't know.
Love you so much. They gave me a compensation, but it's not enough. What? Perform sa Tempat Duma, please. I've been there, but go. Book nyo na lang ako, bakla. If you want me there, just message me. Pasabugan nyo din yung TF, bakla, kasi mag-travel pa si bakla. I mentioned you on Instagram with the meme. Oh my God, ang dami. This is not the best time to tag me kasi parang hindi ko makikita kasi ang daming nag-tag and all that. Judy, have you heard about the brand Adelphi? How do you pronounce that? No, I have not. Anong prayers mo, mom? She's obsessed na boyfriend. Mind games. Charot. Luyag-luyag bala si Josh. I know. He's so in love with me. Like, kawawa naman yung, gago, ubos na yung boses ko. I miss my brows. I miss looking hot. Kasi, gago, parang na-allergy na ako. Like,
not the stress. Oh my God.
there's something happening.
Wala ka mo nag-inom-inom.
I didn't drink. I don't drink. Yudi mo rin ako ng Ilonggo. Yudi putak ka. Kaya pala ganda mo kasi I've heard your looks are so good. They're okay. They're not my best. Ma, ang ganda mo. Thank you. I'm like not in my best form right now. I miss looking so good. Sa totoong buhay lang. Kunin kan ang endorser ng PAL. After I bashed them, my God, I hope so. I don't know.
Kunin nila ako na ano.
I don't know if I can kasi parang my name is like